I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you an application on derivatives. We are learning the rules of derivatives with the help of these examples. The question here is, find the coordinates of the point on the curve of f of x equals to x times 1 minus x whole square, where the tangent line is horizontal. So horizontal means what? That the derivative should be equal to 0, right? That's what it means by saying that the tangent line is horizontal. So the function given to us is f of x equals to x times 1 minus x whole square. Treat that as a product of two functions, correct? So think like this. We are given f of x equals to a function which is x. You may write u of x times v of x. Derivative of this will be using product rule. Derivative of the first function times the second function plus first function times derivative of the second function. Correct? So that is the product rule which we are going to apply here. Okay, so application of product rule. You could also do one thing. Some of you, let's go back to this. You would actually expand this, right? So I'm not taking that approach here, which is also a good approach. 1 minus 2x plus x square, and that is, you could open the brackets, x minus 2x square plus x cube, correct? So in that case, if you expand it, it is simple. You can apply the power rule. Is it okay? So you could do that also, which is x to the power of n. If that's the function, then f dash x is equals to n times x to the power of n minus 1. Is it okay? So you could do that also. Now, it's up to you. Why am I using product rule? Well, let me give you a reason. The question really is, find coordinates of the point on the curve where tangent line is horizontal. So if I have a horizontal line, if I work with this equation, I'll definitely get a quadratic equation. I need to factor and then get the answer. If I apply product rule, I'll get a factored form. So it's kind of same amount of work, okay? Anyway, we're learning rules, so we'll go with product rule, okay? So f dash x, the derivative is, derivative of the first function is 1 in this. Let me write 1. I should not be writing, not necessary at all. Plus the function x times derivative of this. So 2 times 1 minus x. Now we have to write derivative of inside function also, which is minus 1. So that is kind of critical to understand. So here we have applied chain rule also. Do you see that? So that minus 1 is the derivative of minus x. So 2 times this function times the derivative of inside function, which is minus 1. That creates a problem sometimes. Okay, so the preferred approach, of course, becomes the first one, right? Okay, so we got all this. This minus 1 is kind of here. Let me rewrite this. 1 minus x whole square. So minus, we have 2x times 1 minus x. So I can take 1 minus x common. So I got 1 minus x. And I'm left with 1 minus x. And here, minus 2x. And that gives me 1 minus x times 1 minus 3x. Do you see that? So that is a factored form. Okay. So what I have here is f dash x equals to 1 minus x times 1 minus 3x. Now for horizontal tangent, I'll equate this to 0, right? For horizontal tangent. F dash x equals to 0. Perfect. So factored form 0 means 1 minus x equals to 0. That means x equals to 1. 1 minus 3x equals to 0. That means x equals to, take it on this side, divide by 3. 1 over 3. Correct? So the x values are 1 and 1 over 3. We need to find the y values also, right? So the f of 1 will be, substitute 1 here. So we get 1 times 1 minus 1 0, which is 0. Is that okay? And then f of 1 over 3 will be 1 over 3 times 1 minus 1 over 3 whole square, which is 1 over 3 times, this is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, right? 2 over 3 whole square, and that is 4 over 9. Is it okay? So the points are what? It's very important to write the points. So the points are x value 1, y value 0, and the other value is 1 over 3 and 4 over 9. Is it okay? So our answer is, let me write here clearly, 1 0 and 1 over 3, 4 over 9. As you can see in this question, it was simpler to actually expand and solve. However, that cannot be taken most of the time. Therefore, I applied the product rule, continued with that. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps. And the important thing to understand is the coordinates, right? Since coordinates were involved, we found the value of function at 1 and 1 over 3. I hope that helps you to understand and answer such questions. I'm Anil Kumar. You feel free to share and subscribe to my videos. And if you like, you can put some likes. That'd be great. Thank you, and all the best.